Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a picture message on Android phone. If you are sick and tired of your pictures looking terrible by the time they get to the recipient, you're in the right place. Because in this tutorial, I will show you the simple right ways to send pictures from your Android phone using any app so that they always look amazing. Alright, let's get started. If you want to make sure your photo arrives in perfect original quality every single time, the best way is to use Google Photos. This app is pre-installed on most Android phones, and the trick is incredibly simple. First, open your Google Photos app and find the picture you want to share. You can select multiple photos if you need to. All you need to do is long press the first one, then tap on the others. With your photos selected, look for the share icon and tap it. You'll see a bunch of options. Ignore all of them except for one, Create Link. Tap on it, and your phone will generate a private, shareable link. Just copy the link. Now, you can hop into any app you want, like your regular texting app, WhatsApp, email, whatever, and just paste the link. When your friends tap it, the link will open a beautiful web page showing your photos in their full original resolution, which they can view or download to their phone in perfect quality. Personally, I like this method being that it works flawlessly between Android and iPhone, and any phone can open a link. Alright, let's look at some third-party apps that deliver the same result. Of course, a lot of us live in apps like WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram. The good news is that these apps are also great for sending high-quality photos. Let's use WhatsApp as an example. When you attach a photo in WhatsApp, it does compress it a bit to save data and make sending faster, but its compression is way smarter and not too damaging. So, if you and your friend both use one of these apps, it's a super convenient way to share great-looking pictures. You can check out the video link on your screen for a comprehensive tutorial on how to send HD pictures on WhatsApp. What if you're a serious photographer sending RAW files or a massive video of a few gigabytes? For those cases, you'll need a dedicated cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or WeTransfer. The process is a lot like the Google Photos method I just showed you. Let's use Google Drive since you already have it with your Google account. Open the Drive app. Tap the big plus button, then hit Upload. Find the giant photo or video file on your phone and let it upload. Once it's uploaded, tap the three dots next to the file name. The key step here is to manage who can see it. Go to Manage Access and change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This makes sure they can open it without having to request permission. After that, just go back to the menu and tap Copy Link. You now have a link to the full resolution, untouched file. Paste the link in a message or email, and you're good. The recipient can view or download the massive file in its original form without worries. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have questions about this process, let me know in the comment box below. If this guide helped you, do me a favor and give this video a like. It really helps the channel out. And for more simple, clear tech guides to help you get the most out of your devices, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.